So what we have here is technology. It's been around for quite a while, but it's not very popular. There's very few labs in the world that will do this. There's a few in New York, one in Boston, one in Paris, London, England. But what it is it's silver gelatin prints, but also silver gelatin film off of a lambda exposing unit. So it's takes digital files and it converts the digital files into a beam of energy, which then exposes the paper, just like an enlarger would. So it's a big enlarger, except it's much more adaptive to digital setup and digital process. Now, we do our film and our prints differently than the other labs in the world. We hand process everything, because anything that I do in my shop has to go through rigorous archival washing, processing, fixing, hypoclear, and a machine that a lot of the other labs are using doesn't have those capabilities. And they can take the print off the machine when it's dry and then go redo it again, but I don't know how many of them are doing that. So we never bought a machine for this process. We're doing it strictly by hand. And that allows us to work in these trays and make every print as if they were an enlarger print. And that's what I think is different with us. So we may be a little bit more expensive than some of these other labs, but we don't apologize, because what we're giving you is a historically correct process method for silver gelatin. So what we have here is a direct lambda print. It's a grayscale that has to be done before you process paper, and once it's balanced out, you can make hundreds of prints. And this is the same for film, and we use Berger film, which is produced out of France, and it's a silver gelatin ortho film that we can process and read safely. And the beauty of the film is that anybody shooting digital capture can, or any digital scans of films can be sent to us. We can then convert the image into a film, which then you can go back and with the enlargers that you may have, or the cyanotype setups, the platinum palladium, you can do contact printing. So we make the films up to 30 by 40, and we make the prints up to 30 by whatever length. I can do 8 feet at a time. So we've done 8-foot prints, silver gelatin, 30 inch by 8 feet. And on the film, I'm limited to 30 by 40. But this is something that we hope to do with a major camera supplier in Canada. And it's something that we're working on, to introduce again this fall.